think this page looks like a boring data report, watch till the end. We will turn it into a sleek animated donut chart using just PowerPoint. Have a look at this single page. It may look like a complex data report, but in reality, it's highlights just three key data points: clean, clear, and creative. We will extract those key numbers, format the content, and design something truly unique by simply placing three donut visual on one slide. We will turn boring data into a stunning report. And the best part, creating this effect is surprisingly easy. Start by adding text boxes. Type in your key data points or labels. Now, insert oval shape. Hold shift to draw a perfect circle. Set no fill. Change the outline to gray and set line width to 50 points and make the size 22 cm. That's your outer ring. Duplicate it, resize and center it to form your second ring. Repeat again for the third. All should be perfectly aligned. Next, insert arc shape. Set width to 50 points and apply your color. Use the yellow handle to adjust the arc angle. This shows the data value visually. Resize it to match the outer ring. Duplicate, use different colors and resize for second and third ring. And angles for variety. Duplicate the slide. On the second one, rotate the arc by the percentage of your report to make visible changes. Now, go to transition, select more. This adds a smooth animation between the slides. And that's it. A simple but powerful way to turn boring report into stunning visual stories using PowerPoint. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like this video, share it, and subscribe for more creative PowerPoint tips every week.